This Team Camp video series focuses on product management and development concepts. In this video we will see, what is a product? How do we create one? What types of products do we have? A product is any item or service you sell to serve a customer's need or want. They can be physical or virtual. Physical products include durable goods, like cars, furniture, and computers, and non-durable goods, like food and beverages. Virtual products are offerings of services or experiences, such as education, software, and streaming services. A product may also be a hybrid, including both physical and virtual elements, like a kitchen appliance with its own mobile app. Hybrid products are becoming more common as traditionally analog products incorporate digital technology as a way to better reach and serve customers. These categories can help us understand different types of products. But they are not hard and fast rules. For example, software can be considered both a product and a service. Traditionally, you would purchase a physical version of the program and install it on your computer, but today most software products are sold virtually. This approach uses a web-based delivery model and customers pay a recurring subscription fee to access the software. This is how the term software as a service, SaaS, originated. As you will learn in this guide, there is a lot more to a product than its at first glance attributes and what the customer thinks they are paying for. Product characteristics, types of products, how to launch a new product. Characteristics of a product: a live concert, shampoo, and a fitness app. These are all examples of products, but the similarities between them are few. This is part of what makes product development so exciting. Endless possibilities exist to create new offerings for all kinds of customers. Though product characteristics vary widely, a few basic ones are universal. A product is intended for customers. This differentiates products from projects or anything else you may produce for your own use or enjoyment. Products are typically created with the intent of being sold and consumed by someone else, whether that is an individual consumer or a business. Created to provide benefits to a market. Identifying a market need and meeting it can be challenging, but at a base level, a product should provide some sort of advantage to users. Exchanged for value. The most typical value exchange is money, meaning products have a price and can be bought and sold. In some cases, products will be offered in exchange for feedback, exposure, a trade, or other forms of value. Types of products. Beyond physical, virtual, and hybrid, products can be classified in other ways. You can start by splitting products among three major customer categories: consumer, business, and industry. Consumer products. Consumer products, or business-to-consumer (B2C) products, are sold to end users and intended for personal use. The consumer product category is commonly broken down further by purchasing behavior, as different characteristics can influence the way customers buy products. The table below explains the four major consumer product types by purchasing behavior. Shopping. Shopping products are purchased less frequently than convenience products and have a higher price. Buyers compare attributes such as quality, style, and price before making a purchasing decision. Example: clothing brands, airline tickets. Specialty. Specialty or niche products have features that appeal to a specific group of customers. This type of product requires more targeted promotion to reach the right people. Example: vertical market software such as real estate or banking applications. Unsought. Unsought products have little awareness or proactive demand among customers. Because customers do not perceive an immediate need for these products, the benefits must be directly promoted to generate interest. Example: life insurance, reference books. Business products. Business products, or business-to-business, B2B, products, help other companies create their own products or operate their business. Business products can also be referred to as horizontal market products, present in multiple industries and supporting a wide range of business needs. Examples of business products include raw materials, equipment, supplies, business services, and software. Business software is a major subcategory of B2B products. Examples include accounting, customer relationship management, CRM, human resource management, and product development software. These applications can be further categorized by the size of the company that uses them, example, enterprise software. Industry products. Industry products, or vertical market products, serve broad business sectors such as energy, healthcare, financial services, or information technology. Rather than cater to a large variety of use cases, industry products are tailored to meet the needs of a specific industry, example, a healthcare application for managing patient data. How to launch a new product. Product launches are exciting, but they are only one piece of product development, the massive body of work encompassing everything it takes to bring a new product to life. This includes the active building and launch activities as well as the behind-the-scenes strategizing, planning, and analysis. For most businesses, there are 7 stages of developing a new product. 1. Strategize. Define goals and initiatives. 2. Ideate. Brainstorm and capture promising ideas. 3. Plan. Refine ideas based on strategic goals, estimated product value, and team capacity. 4. Showcase. Share roadmaps and go-to-market plans with stakeholders. 5. Build. Deliver new functionality via agile development. 6. Launch. Bring those exciting new capabilities to market. 7. Analyze. Assess realized product value by tracking customer usage and love. It requires a concerted effort throughout every stage of the process to successfully deliver a new product. When you are approaching the launch phase, a product launch checklist can help make sure everything goes according to plan. If you are interested in product management and development concepts, please subscribe to our channel. Share your feedback and help us improve.